This LLY Duramax came in with a faulty fuel injection control module. We used the brand new DmaxStore FICM to get this customer back on the road. Start by unplugging the unit and removing your fuel lines. Next, you are going to unbolt the 3 screws holding the unit down. Now remove your FICM. Now grab your new shiny FICM because it's time to install it. Start by threading the 3 bolts into place hand tight. Make sure you use the isolator bushings. Then install the fuel lines with the new gasket, ensuring the banjo washer seats flush. Now tighten the mounting bolts and reconnect the harness. Reinstall your air intake, prime your fuel system, and let it idle to make sure all the air gets out of the system. Now that the installation of your new fuel injection control module is complete, this truck is ready to hit the road for many miles to come. For all your Duramax needs, visit DmaxStore.com.